Hi friends, I'm glad you come back to join me. Are you ready to do another craft? Alright, so today we're going to be making a stained glass window manger scene. So to start, I want you to get out your craft kit and pull out this plastic piece. It's sort of invisible, but it looks like a manger. You can see there's a star up at the top here. So then I need you to get out your colored pieces of paper. These are going to be all rainbow colored. Should be a big stack of them. You might have to use your fingers to rub them apart like that. You should have about 3 of each color. You might have 4, you might have 2. It's all sorts of different colors. So once you have all these out, right, you gotta make sure they don't stick to you. You're gonna take your white glue. Now glue sticks might work, but we don't know, so it's best if you have white glue like this. Make sure it's unscrew the orange part so it's open, and then carefully squirt a zigzag pattern. Not too much, but you need enough that all those little stained glass pieces are going to be able to stick. Alright, so once you get that nice little zigzag, you can set the glue aside, make sure it's closed so it doesn't dry. And then carefully take your finger and rub this around. You want to coat the entire piece of clear plastic in this glue. Your finger might get a little messy, but that'll be alright. Make sure you get all the way to the edge. You don't want to get the star at the top right now. So as you can see here, I have thoroughly spread out my glue and it is now completely covering the back and it's no longer invisible. So once you have the glue down like this, you can get your pieces of paper here and you can start putting them down. You want to make this colorful as possible, but you don't want to make it too thick or it won't be able to see it. So carefully take it and pat it down a little. It might stick to your fingers if they're still a little gluey, but that's alright. You can just put it down like this. Put one there. So as you can do this, you'll start to see it become multicolored and they might overlap, and like when you have blue and yellow overlap here, you'll see a green where it overlaps. So you'll see all sorts of neat colors being made here. Sometimes they might stick to your finger. So when you put them down, you'll have to use another finger to tap them down like that. And you can make sure that they don't stick to your hands too much. And so once you get all these on, right, you can start to see all these different colors. You see this? Now, once you have it on like this, you can get on here and get a little bit more glue. And then just gently put a little on your finger. Not too much, but just a little. And then you can take your finger and you can put glue on the corners. So like here, this part isn't going down. So you can put some glue there and now that part will stick. And so anywhere where it's not sticking, you can put some more glue and it will stick. Alright, so now as you've got most of those stuck down, it's looking a little better now. And if you look at this side, you can see where I've put them all on there. Now if you look at the other side, you can see as the light is streaming through, creating all these different colors. So it's going to be really pretty when we're done. Now we're going to have to use our patience from earlier, and we're going to have to set this aside and let it dry for a little while. So we can set it in a safe place where it won't get things messy, and we can let it dry for the next day. See you tomorrow.